Heidi ho there, friends. Bobby here today. Hey, guys, today I want to share something with you, a story from my past, and also am hoping that I can motivate some people out there, especially some young people, okay, to actually start reading, start learning. When I was 16 years old, I got my first car, and it was a 1974 Chevrolet Camaro, okay, and I had a really strong interest in like learning how to work on that car. I mean, and it broke down a lot, so I actually got to put my desires to into play. Okay, I had to keep that thing on the road, and by the time I had turned 17, I had acquired another small block Chevrolet engine. Okay, that I got that was not in a car. I just bought the engine. Okay, me and a buddy of mine drug that thing home in my girlfriend's Plymouth Omni. Okay, I think Dodge Omni. Sorry. And anyway, that was another story for another day. But anyway, but the bottom line was I had the interest in building that engine. Okay, I wanted to build that engine to put that in my Camaro. Okay, and so for Christmas that year, all I wanted for Christmas was parts and machine work to rebuild this small block Chevrolet engine. Okay. And my dad and mom granted me that wish. Okay. And that was very good of them to do that. But it was a big learning experience. It probably was something that actually steered my life into the career path that I took, which was an automotive technician for 34 years, after having some schooling and everything after that. But guys, I wanted to show you today, this is the original book that I bought. This is how powerful books can be, okay? It's called How to Rebuild Your Small Block Chevy. And I read this book from cover to cover, and I rebuilt that small block Chevy, okay? And it ran, it didn't blow up or anything. And it ran until I stopped driving that car. And this book, I probably purchased it at the local Auto Shack. That was what AutoZone was called before it was AutoZone. It's called Auto Shack. That's probably where I purchased it at, or maybe at one of the other parts stores at the time. And if you'll look at this, we'll open this together. Let's just open up the pages here, and you can see, look at there. What is that? That is Bobby's 17-year-old fingerprints all over this book, okay? And I read this. This was my Bible to learn how to rebuild my engine, okay? We didn't have the internet back then. We didn't have YouTube videos. We didn't have all that stuff. You had to just pick something and roll with it, okay? So this is what I did. And I still keep this book today, and I've told my children this story many a times over the years. How you can read a book and you can learn how to do anything. So, and that's the message that I'm hoping that I can share with you guys today. And I'm going to go ahead and do. I am an affiliate for Amazon and their products, and I really think that probably the most valuable thing that they have for sale on their website is Audible. Okay. And I will put an affiliate link down below for Audible. And if you purchase it through our link, it helps our channel some. Okay. But being able to, even if you can't read a book, you find the time to read a book, you can listen to a book. Okay. And you can help fill your head full of good things. Okay. Things that you can learn, make yourself better. Um, so I think it's the best deal on Amazon. All right. So anyway, that's my story. And you know what? I'll tell you what I'll do just for the heck of it. I'm going to try to find a link to this book. If there's anybody out there that is still interested in rebuilding your small block Chevrolet, um, I'm going to try to find this book and put a link down below. Thank you guys for listening to my little story. And hopefully it will inspire someone to do something great. All right. So have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.